next day we're going out to see what we caught today. I was trapping mice, so just to feed them crows and pigeons and stuff like that. And hope we got one today. It's been a long day. Okay. Oh. See something moving. Oh, I caught a bird. You joking me? Another one? You okay? Yeah, I'm not here to hurt you. Hey, you okay? Hey, shh, buddy. It's okay. Look at that. Another bird. We don't want to hold him or stress him, so what we're going to do is actually do this. I'm going to take this bottle here, just put him down, and then, ooh, hey. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to put this bottle like this, just not to hold him. 1, 2, 3. Here you go, buddy. There he goes. He's okay. Set the trap again. There we go, cardboard. These traps are special because these just are like foot traps. They just hold the animal there until you get back to get them. I set a couple of them last night. They got set off, but oh come on! Don't you tell me it's broke. God damn it! All the snow right here is really big. Okay, we got them set. But guys, thank you guys so much for watching this quick episode of trapping. Ain't nothing too special. We didn't catch a raccoon. I just wanted to give you guys something. We don't like those traps we got off of eBay. They're just footless. You guys saw that bird. He's perfectly fine. He threw him off. So the reason why I want to trap birds, well, I really don't, is there's going to be a nuisance. The only bird that we're after is a sparrow. Eating all the other birds, seeds for other birds and stuff, but that was a hornlip, something like that. But yeah, let you guys know whenever the next episode comes out. It's snowing. I just got back home from shopping. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace. Okay guys, it's the next day. I checked the trap. It's late, almost 5 o'clock right now. This is where I put it. Look at that. Another bird down for the count right here. Definitely a good sized bird. Right in the head. Killed it instantly. We're going to use this for something actually. I would say my cats that I thought got eaten. And I think I got a feeling she ran right here. No joke. See if I can find her footprints.